Hello friends, in this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to implement Facebook Login in PHP application. In previous tutorial, we have seen how can we implement Google account login in PHP application. Then at that time many viewers has requested us to publish video tutorial on Facebook also. So, in this tutorial, we will learn how to configure PHP Login by using Facebook account very easily and quickly. We all know, Facebook is biggest social networking sites, and most of all user have Facebook account, so your PHP application can allow to log in by using Facebook account. Then it will increase more subscriber to your website. For this here we will learn how to use Facebook Login to allow user to get access into website by using Facebook PHP SDK library. Now let's start discussing this topic. So first we need to go link like developers.facebook.com site, and here we have to log in. Because first need to make Facebook app for login into website. After login, we have to click on My Apps menu and click on Create App Link. When you have click on Create App Link, then modal has pop up on web page, and here we can see form for create new app. So, in display name field, we have enter web's lesson demo, and click on create app ID button. After click on button, CAPTCHA verification required, so we have enter CAPTCHA code and click on button. Now on web page we can see different product app on web page. On left menu we have click on basic setting link. After this on web page, we can see app details on web page. Here first we want to define domain name, privacy policy URL and terms of service URL. This 3 field is required for make live Facebook app, so here first we have defined this 3 field. After this, we have add platform for app. For this here we have click on add platform link. So here modal has pop up on web page, and here we want to make Facebook login for website, so here we have select website. After select website platform, then one field has been append on web page, so here we have to define our app home page, so here we have define our app home page. Lastly, we have click on Save Changes button, so here our app is ready. Here this app ID and app secret key, we will use in Facebook PHP SDK library. Now we want to add product into our app, so we have click on Dashboard link, and here we can see different product on web page. Here we have to set up Facebook Login product, so we have click on Facebook Login Setup button, so this way this product has been added in our app. Now we have to go Facebook Login setting page, so we have click on setting link, so on web page we can see Facebook Login product setting page. Here we have to define valid redirect URL, This is required and URL must be HTTPS. If URL is not valid HTTPS, then your login with Facebook account will not work, it will return error. So, redirect URL must be valid HTTPS, and lastly we have to click on Save Changes button, so here our app ready. But currently, it is in development phase. In this phase you can get Facebook user profile details. For get details, first we need to convert status into live. For this we have to click on this off button. After click on button, one modal has pop up on web page, so here we have select education category. And click on switch mode button. After click on button, here on web page, our app status has been changed to live, so here our app is ready. Now we need to download Facebook PHP SDK library, so we have open command prompt. In this first we have go to working folder, in which we want to make PHP login using Facebook account. After this, we have first run Composer command. Here we have use Composer for download Facebook PHP SDK library. Now we have type command like Composer required Facebook/graph SDK. This command will download Facebook PHP graph SDK library in defined directory. After download library, now we have open config.php file, and here we have to include auto load file of Facebook graph SDK library. So, here we have write require one statement with vendor folder name /autoload.php file, so this way we can include Facebook PHP graph SDK library. Below this, we have write if statement, and under condition we have write not operator with session ID method. If this condition true, that means on this page session variable is not created. Under this block we have write session start function, it will start session on this page. Now we want to call Facebook API, so here we have write $Facebook variable is equal to new with /Facebook, again / and Facebook. With array like, first key app ID, with app ID get at the time of app creation. In second key, we have write app secret, and in app secret key we have to define which we have get at the time of app creation. In third key, we have write default graph version, and here we have to define library version, so this way we can call Facebook API. Now we have go to index page, and here we have first write include statement, with config.php file, here we have include config.php file in index file. Below this, we have defined $Facebook output variable is equal to blank value. After this, we have write $Facebook helper variable is equal to $Facebook object with get redirect login helper function, it will return the redirect login helper. Now we have write if statement, and under condition, we have write is set function, with $get code variable. If this condition true, that means User has login using Facebook account, and it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write if statement, and under condition we have write is set function, with $session access token variable. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code, and under this block, we have write $access token variable is equal to $session access token variable. But suppose above condition false, then it will execute else block of code, and here we have write $access token variable is equal to $Facebook helper with get access token variable. This method will returns an app access token, which we have store in local variable. After this, we want to store in session variable, so here we have write $session access token variable is equal to $access token variable. Now we want to set the default access token to use with requests, so here we have write $Facebook variable with set default access token method, and under this we have write $session access token variable. After this, we want to get Facebook user data, so here we have write $graph response variable is equal to $Facebook variable with get method, with 2 argument. In first argument we have write /me ? Fields is equal to name and email, and in second argument we have write $access token variable. Below this, we have write $Facebook user info variable is equal to $graph response variable with get graph user method, it will return user data. Below this, we have write if statement and under condition, we have write not empty function, with $Facebook user info variable with ID index. This condition will check, this variable index has some value or not. If it has some value then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write $session user image variable is equal to graph.facebook.com/ $Facebook user info variable with ID index / picture, it will display Facebook user profile image. Below this, we have write if statement and under condition, we have write not empty function, with $Facebook user info variable with name index. This condition will check, this variable index has some value or not. If it has some value then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write $session username variable is equal to $Facebook user info variable with name index, so here we have store username details in session variable. Now, we have write if statement and under condition, we have write not empty function, with $Facebook user info variable with email index. This condition will check, this variable index has some value or not. If it has some value then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write $session user email address variable is equal to $Facebook user info variable with email index, so here we have store user email details in session variable. But suppose, above condition false, that means user is not login using Facebook account, then it will execute else block, and here we want to display Facebook login link. So under this block, we have write $Facebook permission variable is equal to email in array. This is optional permission. Below this, we have write $Facebook login URL variable is equal to $Facebook helper variable with get login URL method. Under this we have define URL, and write $Facebook permission variable. This method will return the URL to send the user in order login to Facebook. After this, we have write $Facebook login URL variable is equal to anchor tag, with href is equal to $Facebook login URL variable, and in anchor text, we have use image which we have store in working folder. Now here we have write, if statement, and under condition, we have write is set function with $Facebook login URL variable. If this condition true, that means we have to display login using Facebook account link on web page. So here we have write echo statement, with $Facebook login URL variable. But suppose URL already login using Facebook account, then it will execute else block of code. Under this block, first we want to display user profile image, so here we have write echo statement with image tag with source is equal to $session user image variable. After this, we want to display Facebook username, so here we have write echo statement, with $session username variable, it will display username details. Same way we want to display user email details, so here we have write echo statement, with $session user email address variable, it will display user email details. Lastly, we want to display logout link, so here we have write echo statement, with anchor tag, with href is equal to logout.php, by click on this link user can log out from website. Now we have go to logout.php file, and here first we have write session destroy function. This function will delete all session data. After this, we have write header function, with location set to index.php, it will redirect page to index.php file. So here our code is ready, so first we need to upload this code on server, after this we will check output in browser. Friends, this is URL of our Facebook app. Here we have upload code for login using Facebook account, so on web page we can see link like login using Facebook account. So, we have click on link, after click on link page has been redirect to Facebook login page, so here we want enter Facebook account credential. So we have enter Facebook account credential, after this we have click on login button, now page has been redirect to again our Facebook app URL which we have defined at the time of app creation. Here on web page, we can see Facebook user details like profile image, name, email details on web page, and after this we can see logout link also. First we have refresh page, So on web page details has not been removed, that means our code is working. Now we have click on logout link. After click on logout link, so page again redirect to same page, but not on web page. We can see link like login using Facebook. So this way we can implement Facebook account login in PHP application. If you have any query or input regarding this video tutorial, please comment your query or input in comment box, or if you like this video tutorial, please share with your friends, or even you can also share on social media also. Thanks for watching this video tutorial.